stupidity they take over the country too much. Man, they understand. When I think about these Ghana bloggers and their nonsense, I know they understand. You they get me? Imagine say yesterday, like if only 2 people would then show up for this show or this event. Like you no go make day go break step. That night, no, you go start a blog. Oh, Chris Waddle's premiere has only 2 people, or Chris Waddle's premiere clocks only 2 people, blah 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 blah. You say people no get sense. As we do this thing where you be where you make nice, you know go blog them. So say this Nigerian artist to them did it. Then today go see say, oh, Charlie, this kind of artist for Ghana here. Then today they try or some things they happen. But if they happen for Nigeria, you go come the right time say the video buy Choma Benz or whatever. The video buy Choma Porsche Panamera or whatever. If it be negative thing for this country inside, you go blog them. If you be positive, you know one blogger. You see, that's why people all they sleep for 1 bedroom inside. No? All the bloggers with them they Ghana here. That's why be only 1 bedroom inside people they stay inside. If 1 bedroom pen I'm to me renting, because money I dream pa. When I don't make anybody go make out for this world inside. When I don't want to support anything positive. So God self no go bring people positive things. It didn't say be easy. What you they wish for somebody, being they reflect back to you. If you don't know how to tell you people. If like make I start in short shutter right now, make I start in short Sarkodie right now, or Stonebwoy right now this morning. See how people go to blog about the thing what happened yesterday. You understand? But as to be positive thing, we just mind our business way we work hard, try and make this thing be. Yeah, everybody want to act like you know see. When I want to act like yeah, nothing ever happened yesterday. People they premiere a whole movie where they take it show like 1 hour and things. 5 people and things they come. 120 people and things. Yeah. With the premiere music video, something where they go show them for free for TV talk. The fans them know. But the fact say somebody self go come there, come pay money to come watch, or even risking life self to come there around and support self. If you not say the big thing. Well, I know we'll talk about time. Yeah. Now I didn't call for 2 penny buy. By this time, yeah, my blog will be yeah. Because what do feels? Why you do this? Oh, enter I'm 1 bedroom. One we say people on my blog is still I'm to chamber and home. They all quitting pano. The one way try for this life inside, you stay for chamber and hall inside. The one you try. Yeah. If you God way they punish you people. No punishment the way you put the face right now will no be your own. What they are. Then you put Obama mono say we breast. What can bullshit be that? Make I do something, make I go insult something right now. As Wale talks, say Ghana be village. Hey, wanna know yes before. But the moye and crassi, yaman and crassi. This sense of village life. Village life song. Because if you be negative, you go support. Somebody today asked me, say, why we give bloggers money, say, made them come blog something and that. The time where you have to drop Benabu, you give people money, say make you people blogger. But if people say, hey, finally we get somebody where you took Wale, so yeah. Moku spread and make the whole world know. The time Pono they drop Benabu, you can't give people money to make you people blogger. But I'm funny personal because Mo say no. If they go against Wale, and you see, if you talk something while support, no, you put the thing say, hey, the party no, so but some of the things there, the guy they talk, it be true. If you be negative right now, make I show my dick right now for Snap and see the way people go blogger. If I make I show my dick right now for Snap, as I do live right now, make I show my dick right now. See how people go blog and go far. But as it be positive thing, everybody make quiet like nothing they happen. Or make I enter police headquarters and go through some slap for them. Or make I go multimedia right now, then go slap on the dusty right now. See how people go far. Jimmy and Kwan, I'm with Jimmy. I don't know whether it be the heat today the country inside who said the African son who said they man don't understand. That's why people they stay for one bedroom inside. No? The kind of laptops people they need if you buy Apple laptops if take work. Because more than one will be crying who say no, more contributing to something positive for him to even dash people anything. Because you understand? We do premiere whole music video premiere. This thing will be free self where we go come TV top, everybody will watch them. So for somebody out there to take moto, kada self come there, it risk in life, it show love. You understand? For somebody to sit car inside and come, you know be the gate fee alone self to sit in party in car inside self and come. But risking a life will be positive thing. And the thing be place full up where people watching badges and things so when I don't want to talk about that. But if like it be negative, like nobody come. Like by this time the whole Ghana here. So when where it will be? When? Eh? The video by Chioma, the Porsche Panamera. Some old school Porsche Panamera. Hey, Ghana blogger, go. Medical by Fela McAfee Odino. Hey, it is not for him. It is an old car. It is this, it is that. When you guys go change? You be met to people for old bicycle, old bicycle, no be car safe, old bicycle. We go fit talk safe for your heart inside, they take bicycle dash me. You did always say be blogger. You did the camera say we with dash you camera, 5D Canon camera where they use us. If you go take camera, you go use them. Somebody give somebody car. You want ridiculous? Why you do this? To where they be yam, what Jimmy san, yam san. You know so. Negative thing, hey, my blogging that. I say, you be like, if two people come, now by this time the whole Ghana here already, like serious here, everybody here. But as the place full up, where even people don't get to come inside, people waited for 30 minutes, 40 minutes, to finish first batch, make them join. People waited, people tired. Well, I don't acknowledge that one. Why? Which kind of country be this? When this stupidity go stop? Why? Negative things. So, if Stonebwoy go talk something about Wally right now, you go blog him. If Wally talk something about Stonebwoy right now, you go blog him. If Sarkodie go talk say for Chris Water right now, some hey, wanna go blog him. When we do premiere, we talk about positive things, the things we Sarkodie do for my life inside, the things we some other musicians, the things where they do what they watch, what they learn. That one wanna no one talk about them because it be positive. Why? Muni plasma. You know say the bloggers they don't get plasma for them. Muni flash screen. It's a couple when they watch for TV top. Nyakupon way they punish you people. When I know if you buy better iPhone self take blog. Make Ghana blogger show me them phone mokusi. Make Ghana show me your phone make us. Put me talk better things because I don't want some way they put your head inside. Yeah. When they talk, you can't just say, then you will get something negative talk about them. But when you be positive, you don't want to talk about them. But if you go Nigeria, where you go to say, the video do something small, something where they do for Ghana here on a regular, when I go talk about them. See like you didn't see that. It's Jimmy and I say Nigeria, I know they understand that. Why the Nigerian people they say behave there? Or you people just make on a mind say, yeah, when I go make Nigerian musicians go they intimidate me. They don't get anything past we. You know, we say the young people, they don't get anything past we. Anything. For example, if somebody did some country inside where they be 300 million, and I say, for example, me I get 100 million, I fit take build school. You get 20 million. You build school, you build hospital, you do street light, you do traffic light and things. What about Brazil? The person you get 100 million will build only school. So if somebody in Nigeria where all this population and all this show Monday, Tuesday when they play shows where you buy Porsche Panamera, old school Porsche Panamera give you woman where they acknowledge them. But medical day Ghana here where the shows be limited, the population be limited. Where if you buy something, give fella, where you want talk negative about them, Jimmy and Ebi no. You understand? If the video did a premiere music video where he gets 2,000 people, where Chris Wado de Ghana here, I no drop song for like a year, I no drop video, nothing serious. I do premiere where over 1,000 people come say that they can't pay gate fee. When this one I no do serious publicity safe. When I know the CM say be anything. When I know the CM say be anything. Wow. Okay. And multimedia today, I don't want to talk about that. Multimedia. This kind of Joy FM and this kind. You, well, I don't want to talk about you people right now. I will talk about you people 6 p.m. today. Some Jimmy. Okay, we'll go see for Ghana here.